Once upon a time, in a quiet village, well, maybe just a small apartment, there was a designer named Joe. He dreamed of creating the perfect user experience, something that would make the user say, "Wow, this is exactly what I needed." One day, a mysterious email pops up on Joe's screen. It reads, "Congratulations, you've been invited to train at the prestigious UX Kung Fu school led by the master of all masters, Lee, known for designing the most loved apps in the land." Joe's eyes go wide with the excitement as he imagined the secrets he will learn. Joe was thrilled at last he would learn the exclusive secrets of UX mastery from a true master. Joe arrives at school expecting a high-tech dojo or at least a sleek co-working space. Instead, he finds a small, nondescript room with worn-out cushion and a single laptop on the table. Master Lee, a calm and cheerful middle-aged UX designer in a simple hoodie, is sipping a coffee as Joe walks in. "Welcome, young designer. I see you're here to discover the secrets of UX mastery. Tell me, what do you think makes a UX designer truly great?" Well, I guess it's a combination of design skills, creativity, and knowing all the right tools. Yes, the right tools. Everyone thinks they need all the tools. But let me tell you, the secret ingredient is nothing. What's nothing? How can nothing be the secret to UX mastery? Yeah, think of it this way. Just like in the legend of the famous dragon noodle soup, where the secret ingredient turned out to be no special ingredient at all, the real magic in UX design doesn't come from something external. It's all about embracing the simplicity and trust your own creative instincts. Well, Joe was absolutely baffled. He came all this way to learn nothing. Master Lee beckons Joe to follow him outside. As they walk through the town, he points out everyday moments. A child tapping on a smartphone to call their mom, an elderly couple browsing a simple e-commerce app, a busy commuter ordering coffee on an application in seconds. Look around, Joe. Great UX isn't something mystical or even difficult. It's about understanding people and solving their needs in the simplest way possible. No flashy designs, no complicated interactions, just clarity. At that moment, Joe realized that he had been overthinking everything. He had been so focused on creating something special that he forgot what people really need: simplicity and ease. But wait, what if I'm not special enough? What if I don't have some magical gift? Hmm, Well, every successful UX designer you admire started right where you are, wondering if they had that magic touch. But you see, Joe, the magic isn't in you because you are a UX designer. It's in you because you are willing to understand others. If you care enough to make life easier for people, you will find your own way to shine. With time, Joe realized that his role wasn't to impress users with dazzling interfaces, it was to serve them with the clarity and care. At the end of his training, Master Lee hands Joe a scroll, the secret scroll of UX mastery. It's empty. Exactly. The only thing on this scroll is a reminder that there is no magic trick. Your success as a UX designer comes from the believing in your purpose. If you design with clarity, compassion, and curiosity, you will already miles ahead. There is no secret ingredient, just you. So now Joe leaves the UX Kung Fu school with a new lightness, knowing that he doesn't need a secret sauce to succeed. He simply needs to trust the simplicity in his approach. And so Joe went on to become a beloved UX designer not by following some mysterious path, but by embracing the ordinary and designing with purpose. Because in the end, the secret ingredient was nothing at all.